If I was asked how to create a winning creative strategy for a brand, this is what I would do. Follow these 5 steps and you're gonna be running profitable ads for your business in no time. Number 1, which so many people skip, is do your research. You absolutely need to understand your target customers. We all assume that we know what our customers need, but we never ask them and we never check. So please do your research, figure out what your customers want and what they don't want, and then you can sell to them effectively. Second is, you really need to check what your competitors are doing. And this is a great segue into the point 2, because I want you to steal like an artist. There's no point in reinventing the wheel, and as long as your competitors' ads are performing, you can take inspiration in those and repurpose them for your own content. Now, of course, I do want you to be creative. It is a creative strategy after all, but figuring out what works and copying that is a great way to start. Number 3 is you need fresh content weekly, or at least bi-weekly. This is mostly because of creative fatigue, which sets in pretty early in the current advertising landscape. And to help you with those new creatives, you should really get a dedicated creative strategist. I often get a question like, what does a creative strategist do? This is a person in your team whose only job is to manage the entire video ad production process. This means they're the ones thinking of which kind of ads you're going to be running. They write the scripts, they figure out who the creators are going to be, they figure out how these scripts are going to be implemented, whether with a creator or through maybe an AI voiceover, and they deliver the final product to make sure that the ads actually perform. Then they're supposed to read out the results, figure out what works, what doesn't work, and iterate if it does. So since we're talking about iterating, please, if you have winning ads, iterate on them. A good question would be then, how do we iterate on winning ads? Now, you can do this in many different ways. What I prefer to do is to make the same ad and change a couple of different variables around it. For example, you can reword the script so it gives the same message but in different words. You can find a different creator, you can film it in a different environment, or you can try a different framework. So instead of filming a solution problem type framework, you can make a POV type framework. All in all, iterating on your ads is going to allow you to reuse the concepts that already work and make new winning ads out of that.